here. So we're gonna have a lot of video for you. So primary, it was so passionate embrace highbrow elegance, right? Yeah, you just need to pick over here in the filter section, passionate embrace, whatever it is as you walk through the spreadsheet. And then so this is the wine sona for that. The primary is passionate embrace, and the secondary is highbrow elegance. And so I command control click through these wines, and then for paired and here for refine. Yeah, sorry. So before we leave here, this is where we need the descriptions for the secondary because all these are blank right now. Yeah, yeah. So now, if you're so if so whomever went through and basically entered 6 for all of these. So there are 36 options, but they've entered 6 options for everything. So when we figure out that there are the more options, basically what we can do is go to if you want to enter more, you go to regions, and you see do we. This is where I kind of emailed you. It got a little tricky also because there's a name for the region and there's a country, right? And I don't know grapes and regions and whatever. So yeah. So what we need to figure out is, what is the right thing to do for the name for a what is I, yeah, yeah. So you need to look at this data and figure out, hey, and maybe there's another segment. Maybe there's a region and a grape and a country and the flag, right? You tell me what is right, because there's definitely some mess here, but we're in a hurry, so I went quickly. Oh yeah, yeah. Just click on Tuscany and change it. But if you say a region has a name and a grape, then you need to tell me the change. If you're okay, yeah, yeah. So um, yeah. So that is in. So this is regions, and those are wine profiles. So here is where you put the wording like hot climate, cool climate, all that stuff. Yeah. So the wine profile is what you're picking on the wine sona. So you're picking a profile. A profile consists of it references a region. And so the regions are the ones here. Yeah, because I imagine that you're going to come up with a region like, a bunch of things are going to map to Napa, a bunch of things are going to map to Bordeaux. I don't know this data, so I guessed. No, no, no. The key is an ID behind the scenes. So you could have two Tuscanies. Hold on. Give me 5 minutes here. I gotta finish a meeting.
Okay. I love you. What purchase baby?
Chicken's probably done. Okay, can you hear me? Okay. Yeah. I mean, we're just going off of a data model that allows us to have some redundancy. So behind all of these is an ID field. So if there's any duplication, the ID field. Well, we have a little bit of a mess here. So we should figure out, you know, because I think there's a mix of grapes and actually regions, and you should, tell me. Oh, be, no, 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 there is unique key. So I don't. So Earl Old World Cab. This may not even be Left Bank France. France. I don't. Let's assume it's right. um, I don't know if there's going to be. I don't know how many descriptions are going to map to the left bank of France. Yeah. So that's why we did this. So I assume that Napa is going to have a lot. Yeah. So the old world is in. Oh, crap. I was just there. The old world is in wine profiles. So I assume that Napa is going to show up here many times in a wine profile. Yeah, I don't know. So that's why I was trying to email you. There's a lot of mistakes here. So which one are you talking about? No, no, no. Okay. So what are you saying is the correction here? No, not well, the flag and left bank France, those are the same. Those are the same object. So one is the wine profile. Um, so this is the profile, the flag, and the text below are the region. Yeah, I don't know. There's a mistake in the data then. No. Don't worry about this. I've never seen this before. So hold on. These are wines to explore. Okay, let's figure this out so you don't get scared, because there's no reason to be scared. So, okay, so irresistible tension, passionate embrace. So hold on. Sorry, I just threw it out there as an example. If you if we go into the phone mode, there's no fingerprints. Oh yeah. Wait. All right. This is where um, this is what was pulled together. I literally copy pasted. Okay, so I thought you and Lisa sat together and pulled this out. I understand. I mean, this is why when you put it in the real world and use our
funny enough, I like the previous one before change more than this one.
well, that's okay. I mean, we can go to if you like the if you like the old one, you can go back. Anyway, we just need to figure out what we'll settle on whatever. But the so to me, the layout is like a 2-day change. The data is a fundamental change. Like we need to yeah. Hold on. Let's slow down. We got to do one thing at a time. Okay. Okay. So let's. We're looking at recommended wines, and you're worried about editing the data because this is missing. Okay. I I'm sorry, but we have to know the end-to-end process, or we're all going to stumble here. And we've conflated like 5 things together. Okay, you're worried about editing things because you're worried you're gonna end up with this red here, right? So let's get to the data. So this is Lady Bond, Queen of the Sun, right? So we go here and we go to our wine sona. And we pick, crap, I always forget that we actually do the attribute. Irresistible tension, passionate embrace. So we do irresistible tension, passionate embrace, and we go down and we see this one's picked mild to hot and this one. So these are probably older ones. So now mild to hot climate. So if we go to there was a wine profiles. No. Sorry. The wine profiles. Region. Yeah. Yeah, that might be a defect because there's 2 selected then. So I need to fix that.
I don't know where the issue is exactly, but it's quite obvious to me is where this two tab, where the break region tag and flag. There need to be more lines. Just like things are messed up. So what is the best way to that I can attribute where?
Okay, here. Let's try this. Irresistible tension, passionate embrace. Wine sona. Irresistible tension, passion. So there were some data issues and all the updated names. So now we find where is irresistible tension, passionate embrace is this one. So New World Chardonnay, Bordeaux Blanc, New World Cab, nothing here. Okay, Rioja. So 3 is actually going to be fun. So Rioja. So with there was some older data floating around, and the older data I didn't.
Actually, the older data are better. I think the newer data problems like how when I talk apparently 100 times
Yeah, I have a defect in the Wines to Explore. I don't know what happened there. Um, so that's if I don't know what happened here because this was working. That's what I'm saying. There's a defect here that's dropping this name.
Can you just let me know for one match size what I should do?
Yeah, so for wine match, we need to know what are
That's fine. Like I will take care of the content. Don't worry about that. I need to know in admin. But now I let you have two to create six parameters. But I don't know which is which because every single box I have.
okay, which is which. So this right here was the attributes, the flag, and underneath are the region.
Okay, let's go to attributes.
Um, sorry, not attribute then.
Why attributes?
Sorry, wine profiles. Okay, sorry, I misspoke. So this is the wine profile.
Okay, can we go back to that part? So where do I put your word start?
So you would either edit it or you just hit add a wine profile.
Okay, so it's in one type.
Yeah, the wine type um, will end up here.
Can we go back to the table? Why? So what is all the under? Where do we put those?
Sorry, the region and the flag are selected. So when I select Italy, that's a region which include
Selected because it puts in the region.
yeah
Okay. Can we go back?
to the
Just another page. No, not this one.
so you want to go to the region.
No, still attribute. Oh, profile. Okay, fine. So red is red here. So why the region has to be picked up in that thing?
Right.
And then what is the region now? Okay. All right, I hear you. And in the region, in the profile creator, the region can also be specific wines. Where do those contains in?
No. We never recommend wines anymore.
Okay, but you had that in the thing.
Yeah. At one point you had an actual wine recommendation, but we got rid of that. So that's optional. So in the wine profile, you can say what is an actual wine, but that's optional, and it's ignored.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, thank you for that. Can I see the UI over here? Current UI.
So this is the current
This is on laptop, right?
laptop. Yeah. So phone, you can click and then pick. This is iPhone X.
I have a question. You are up. I close this. How do I use recruits to destination copy? Can you remove more?
Yeah, that was. So I basically copied this.
Oh shoot. I didn't read into it. Yeah,
That's fine. I mean, that's what happens when we put it on the actual, device.
what I mean is I want to put a UR. Like you have someone who's who's reading wines and just put it in the UR like you should tell people what you're reading.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think there's a few screens to go through. Let's make sure they're all, I think they all need some updates. We just threw some things in here.
Super work.
Yeah, yeah.
Try to fix that.
Yeah, I don't know this changed recently, so I don't know what happened there. So I'll go in and fix that. And this is the simulator, so it's not. These fit better on the X. I've seen it.
Yeah, and I think we just need more like spaces instead of like a bulk paragraph. We should just write sentences.
Yeah, yeah. So let's think through what now that we see it on the device. Let's figure out what it should be.
Okay, we should do a workouts
You,
setup.
yeah, yeah. You should be able to pull up your wine Sona because you have a wine Sona now, so you can see yours is on the newest one.
Oh, what I mean, like we need to spend some time on Saturday morning to like really like line by line.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Alright. So I'll do the database and the wines. I think now I think I should be able to tell my system like add a few more wines.
Okay, cool.
Easy.
All right.